So what you can also do inside of Copilot is upload out contents directly from your connected webcam. So over here you can see that add an image is an option, and as you click on it, over here you can see that upload from device is an option and take a photo is an option as well. So if I were to go around and click on take a photo, then it asks you whether you can allow the use of the camera. So I'm just going to go around and say allow right here, and once you do that, you can see that you get the footage from your connected camera right here, just like this. So you can simply go around and click on this button right here to take a picture, and what happens is that it simply uploads the picture out, as you can see right here, just like that. So now you can simply go around and interact and say explain what you see in the picture right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and press enter, then what happens is that it goes around and then simply goes around and then explains out what is there in the image. So it says the image appears to show a yellow and a silver and object with red essence resembling a utility knife or a box cutter. It's resting on white surface, possibly paper. Unfortunately, the image is quite blurry, so I can provide specific details, as you can see right here, as it says. So that is how you can upload out images directly from camera inside of Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.